Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia and I am back with another video. Now for today's video I'll be doing a handbag review. Well, it's not really a handbag, it's more of a backpack that I got from Amazon. Now if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you'll not miss an upload from me. Also remember to like, share and leave a comment. Alright, so for today's item, it is this lovely backpack that I bought from Amazon. I don't know about you guys, but I love a backpack. Nothing better than having your hands free, especially when it's coming down to like winter or fall, when you know you have to have your gloves or you have on a jacket. You don't want to have anything in your hands. You want to be hands free. All right, and it's cute and everything for the summer. Now I saw this bag on a lot of channels and I decided to try it. Yeah, and I'm glad I did because it did not disappoint. Now this bag is called, look at my computer, it's the women's quilted hobo backpack. The bag is lovely and yeah, let's get into the bag itself. It came well stuffed. It was packaged very nicely. However, what I really love about this bag is the base of the bag. If you look at it, it has a very firm base and this helps the bag to keep its shape. Right, so if you put the bag will actually stand on its own, and if you put something like a bottle of water or whatever you want to carry in your bag, it actually sits up, it does not move. So I really love that about the bag. And then moving on to the top of the bag. Now the top is made of vegan leather according to Amazon or the sellers. Yeah, it's made of vegan leather and the material is very plush, guys. If you look at it up close, very plush and it's very soft, but at the same time it doesn't feel cheap. It feels very expensive. I am actually tempted to believe that this is actually leather. It smells like leather, guys, and it looks like leather. It feels like leather. So I'm thinking that they are in fact correct and this is actually vegan leather, right? And if you even look at the stitching on the bag is done very well and it's very even. If you look at the bottom here, the stitching is done very well. Yeah, this bag was made well, guys. It's not made cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. What I really love about the bag though is the quality of the straps. Like, the straps are very heavy. They are not light or feeble. I wish you guys could feel this. It's very heavy. And then if you look closer, you'll realize that one of the strap is gold and one is silver. And I think that was the intent to make it this way. Yeah, and I really love it. It's very different. It's very cool. And another thing, if you look at the quality of the hardware, like the gold actually looks gold. It doesn't look bronzish, or you know, that it doesn't look too yellow or too pale. It's just the right color. And then here, if you look at the back of the bag here, you can see that the bag is made very well. This ain't going nowhere. Like, trust me, this bag is, it's legit. It's the real deal, guys. Yeah. And also what I like about the bag is the closure. In addition to pulling up the straps on the bag, you also get a snap closure right here, and then you just snap it into place, right? And this will help to keep your items secure so they don't fall out of the bag. I've worn this bag already and I actually bent down to take up something that fell from me and nothing fell out of my bags because this goes pretty tight. And then you just snap here so you can see that the bag is actually closed, right? So yeah, that was very good. That was very insightful of them to make it that way. When you want to open the bag now, you just open the closure and use your hands to just pull it apart. Yeah, and then you have the bag open. All right, so inside of the bag you have the opening right there, just a big hole. But on the sides you have pockets. So on the first side you have a zipper pocket. Let me show you guys. On this side now you have a zipper pocket, and the zip works very smooth. Hear that? Like butter. No glitches, like butter. And then you have the brand name is Chavon, Chavon. And then on the other side of the bag now, this was genius. You have like 3 card slots. 1, 2, yeah, 3. So you have 3 card slots here. And even on the inside of the bag, guys, you can see that. Look at the stitching. Look at the stitching. Trust me, like they did this bag well. Like, it wasn't done cheap. The quality of it is very good. Even the lining of the bag, guys, is made of a good material, like very thick material, not cheap, not something that is going to tear after a while. Even here around the bag you can see, like, I'm telling you guys, I'm very, very, very impressed with this bag. Even I love how they put this into the bag, because sometimes you are going on the road and you don't want to have a lot of stuff, and then sometimes some of these purses are so big and they take up a lot of space in your bag. You can just simply take your cards out, put your cards here, right, and then drop your phone in the side pocket, and then it leaves you with all the space in the middle. I really, really love this bag. It is functional. At the same time, it is very fashionable, very cute, very trendy. I paid $36.95 for the bag, and they have a lot of different colors, guys, on Amazon. They have, I think the price ranges from, let me see, $29.95, but that's for the red. They have it in red, they have it in navy blue and black, where the top is navy and the bottom is black. They have it in pink and black, meaning pink here, black here. They have a metallic gold, and they have a metallic silver. They also have a black and white, where it's white here and the bottom is black. Guys, I love this bag so much. To me, it is a steal because it is leather, so you're gonna have this for a long time. Plus, it is not only functional with the card slots and all of that, it is also very fashionable. Yes, so guys, I love this bag so much. And it came plain, but what I did, I bought a bag charm for it. So I usually have this on mine. Let me see. So you would just clip it on like this. Alright, so it would look like this, guys. This bag is made well. It is so cute. I love it so much. I just had to come on here and share it with you guys. And as I said, the price of the bag depends on the color that you choose. It feels so soft. It is just, this bag for me gets 10 out of 10. Alright. 10 out of 10 for this bag right here. So you guys know that, as usual, I will leave the link in the description below. And just to let you guys know, it is an affiliate link. All right, so you guys can go ahead and you can click on the link. It will take you to Amazon. You can look at the different colors that they have and choose the one that you like. But guys, this bag is a must-have. Guys, I am so hot, it is not funny. It's very hot. So let me give you one last look at the bag. Yeah, there you have it. Very cute. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't, and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you'll not miss an upload from me. Alright, and also remember to leave a comment. If you like the video, why not click the like button? All of those things will help the channel out so we can grow together and yeah, become a bigger, better family. All right, so thank you guys, and remember the link will be in the description box below. All right, so be blessed, and until next time, bye.